Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper from the Stampin' Up! 2020 Occasions mini catalog. This paper is such a colorful, bright, fabulous pack. And of course it has flowers, so you know how much I love flowers, so I'm loving this paper. So I'm gonna go through each sheet so you can see what it looks like on a full spectrum of 12 by 12, and you can pick out your favorite one and let me know in the comments below. At the end of the video, I'll share with you my favorite one. Okay, did you pick out your favorite from the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper? While I super love flowers and things, in this pack I am loving all of the solid ones. I love the green stripes, I love that watercolor wash with the red, the purple, and the blue, and the green. I almost prefer those, and then I'm gonna stamp a flower and pop it up in front versus some of these floral papers. But it'll be interesting to see once I start playing with it which ones I gravitate towards more. So I'll be posting finished projects on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check those out there. Of course, don't forget to check out more of the Designer Series paper reveals from the Occasions catalog as well as Celebration 2020. So I'll leave a link down below for those and you can check those out. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I will see you next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.